Where you know Missy Boo from? Where you know Missy Boo from? Accountant Steve Dollar every block. Where you know Missy Boo from? So when they see her shoot and she go and she cap it herself, after how she shoot. You look like a madam blood clot. Rocky put on clothes every day. She look like she not work now. She not work. Rocky look like she just stand up in a wholesale. Come in and know how you put that for another big legs. $200 for put in eater. And then what they share go look at me. I don't know what happened. They must call legs and take legs there. Rocky she win back her man. So she be a 71 million, 71 billion, and the drugs dealer husband come and alive our blood clot chat. When me look a phone call instant blue, me suppose you can't say anything because at the end of the day me chat to you, but me not beg you no. If you no give me take it, me chat to you, but me not beg you no. Me come on the live, come do it, come do my work and put in my work and do my puzzle.
I send out my challenge. Oh no full amount of me I send out my challenge and nobody not accept my challenge. When I understand. You cook for your man, girl.
Yes?
You cook for your man.
Him tell me cook today.
When guys go in the kitchen, I cook for man.
Him tell me cook today. Him don't want cook today. Him tell me cook today, so I tell him don't answer the other girl. Like we have a nice cooking today.
Yeah, you can't make him answer that. Can you say him answer the next
yeah, fine.
I'm going to change it. I'm going to fuck up the parts.
So, when them combo she know, because them that give her a combo now, that's why you see you like. You see you, only thing me have, all the problem me have for you easy to make people manipulate like Missy Boo can go in your head and the things. Them are level 100 and sure have me. Me I tell you, like say no that me didn't have there, that you still are going on my head same way. Because I believe Missy Boo more than me. You believe Missy Boo more than me and say what they have 76 million. She say she blood clot fuck up and Rocky there with a junk dealer. Me say he made have the last her body. She run come up back after the journey.
Alright girl, go and do what you do.
She run come up back after the journey. Me not come here and cap like me a mascot and come here and go like nothing no do me. Something do me, you rob me. You think they're idiot? Okay. So nobody go like you know what me I say. Me say you rob me. I can't stand you, Missy Boo, because you know why I can't stand you. You're looking at me eye and tell me just like how you chat every blood club body. If I chat anybody, I can't talk that. If I chat anybody, I can't talk that. Remember you and Rocky come together, you know. For borrow one big blood clot loan, you know, and let's call me and say Candy. Cause Rocky drugs dealer man come back. You don't know when she won business and foreign. When she won business and foreign, Rocky look like Mario man. Rocky look like she just dress up a man in time and go in her care. The whole of them do good for me, but Rocky Missy Boo thief me with the good. The whole of them do good for me, but Missy Boo thief me with the good. So she don't do no good for me. I can't say yeah, Rocky do good for me. I can't say legs do good for me. But Missy Boo don't do no good for me. She rob me. And me I behave like an idiot. But you Missy Boo more smarter than the two of them because she's not smarter than them in that money wise, you know. But you see she's smarter than them. She can go in at them head and manipulate the two of them and have them all about Rocky. You got to talk about Rocky cars. Rocky look like Madam and a friend. She want $200 for look how eat our day. What day she gonna tell when him they say her husband want come down and her husband want come down and she spent 76 million and the drugs dealer that analyze the woman down a yard, you know, track. What time maybe to eat that my rice blood clot because you care one want come say that in there. Me say shelly rice to them there. So I see Missy Booty and she a go on and she a go on and she a go on. I want to look a wicked blood clot woman. She do good, you know, but she thief me with the good. Rocky never thief me. Legs never thief me. Sharon never thief me. Nurse never thief me. Me tell you who angle blood clot money. Nobody else never thief me. Missy Boo go on like she bright enough. And like she a good manipulator because anything when she said them have to work with. I know that the whole of them, Alex good, look good than the whole of the clot. It's just that look a problem. Rocky have a ras belly. Rocky can't breathe. Rocky can't breathe. She drink herb every day till she blood clot. Because I can't stand Rocky neither. Rocky sick my blood clot stomach. Yo, Rocky, that's why Father God make you with a dumb womb. You speak his spoken, mix up blood clot, Rocky. That's why Father God leave you with a dumb blood clot womb. And sister, you gotta destroy yourself. You'll shit out drunk prayer. I can't stand Rocky. With your speaking smoky mix up stinking blood clots. So remember 76 million. You call them, tell them say your man are alive from how much you do Alex give you. I may get the call. Don't run for the fire, it will burn you. So nobody come talk and speak his spoken, talk how it go, talk it things them how it go. Them no want to make people sit on here and think that pretty girl from Joburg. No pretty girl from Joburg. Rocky, you want to speak his spoken, mix up drunker. You Rocky. Rocky, I want to speak his spoken, mix up shit house drunk. I can't stand your Rocky. But me I beg you $50 and you a beg legs $200 for the eater. Offering. Me set on uno for no people for uno come for my chain. Cause me would I get that $200 there. So uno better than nobody. Can't say I don't like Missy Boo because she rock me, but I definitely don't like Rocky. But I beg you $50 and me make you no legs and you big legs money. And me make you no legs, you know? And you big legs $200 for put eater. You fucking out of that. That means you're not different there, you're not different than me. So Rocky stop talking about you and she not get $50 and we forget it from. Me a chat to Missy Boo and me a chat to Legs. As me say give me them half give me cause them give me. As me say beg people of them give me. Where me a da beg you, where you I am man own a business and you name me if I don't know. What she do with the money but I love the money like liquor or wash out that paper here free. Wash out that paper here free. I'm a way name there. Where you forget money from Rocky, I want mix up dirty shit out drunk or them in one group. Why make me can't go in the group? You, Legs, Rocky, and Missy Boo in a one group. Why make we can't go in a why make we can't go in a group? Why make a Missy Boo run the bill group? Missy Boo run the bill group. Run the bill, but Missy Boo gonna start with it, you know. Wait. I'm not ready yet, you know, girl. Enough Chanel with enough blood clot self when me make you know Missy Boo with enough blood clot self. But come here with a text. I think me not see you yesterday in the group. In the comment, come here with a text. Come here with a text in the group. The whole on the grudge you know one another. Legs can't just sit down and eat and fart. Cause she won't places where she can get fair money. And I like every minute fight for get her work because I want to be important like somebody. Pastor be there on this something. No, like Rocky, I can't stand Rocky. Rocky, I want mix up woman. Not take Rocky easy without speaking spokey. Rocky, I mix up. So nobody go on and cap. See if I say and go like do no only have a group where we have a group where uno in and nobody else can hear uno be. And me make uno know no one another. And me I tell you Missy Boo rob me toes to that. I heard him say no candy I'm shouldn't have this. I'm no candy I shouldn't have. And every time them other slap you want money and me a call. Pass them. When you me pass the grab around there so for me, because I know where I got there so we did far. How about if you think I want to get to you there, pass that, give me there. I don't know why make you do this, I ain't not getting the money. In a bumbo clot, ras clot. In a bumbo clot in a ras clot.
Look at on this.
And you could come up on the screen dead. Are you sending request?
I was telling you demons, I send the crushing the legion. I find them head in your head, I'm coming from now. Turn the shit to your jelly, then I sent you to the camera. So tell me what you do when I'm letting you know it's good. And I put you on, everything is on, it's good. And I sacrifice for a nigga, which form? No. Guys in this nigga's up there, I don't know what the fuck, no really.
Good for my body. No, sir, for my body. No, sir.